In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. To do this, first just go and open up Phantom Wallet, and then from the home screen here, go and click on Buy. Now here, select Bitcoin, and then just choose how much you want to buy, for example, $50. And then here, just click on Buy. And then here, if you want to use credit and debit card, you can just click Buy. If you want to use something else, you can click on credit and debit card. And where it says Pay With at the top, just select credit and debit card. Now here you can pick whichever one you want, for example, Apple Pay. And then you will see which one has the best price. So I'll go with Transact and then click Buy. Then it will redirect you. And from here, you can then go ahead and purchase it. So in this case, I will just check out using Apple Pay. Then after I have paid, it will just show up in my Phantom Wallet right here. So that's how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.